You're back with Rainbow Jesse traveling around the world. Now we're going to be playing with that thing. Let's see here. I'm going to do some fun with this guy. Oh! Did you see that? Well, of course. I got it in a bucket. And I meant to hit him. No, I didn't. But